Let us build a next best action agent. So this agent is going to take a machine learning model which is going to make some predictions, and in our case this model is going to make prediction if a customer is going to leave or not. In addition, it is also going to give the reasons of why a customer would leave. Then we are going to take those reasons and then we are going to generate a text email which is going to help us to retain that customer. So this text which is aimed at taking an action in order to retain the customer is also called as next best action. So let us see on how this agent would look like. So this agent has got access to a large language model so that it can understand user requests in natural language, and then it has got access to some tools. So here we are going to need two tools. One tool is to make the model prediction, and then you also need a tool in order to generate all this retention text. Now let us also see the prompt which is for this particular agent. So this prompt says that you are an helpful assistant in order to generate the next best action, and you will do two things. First is you are going to do model scoring, and we are also going to output the reasons of the prediction. And the second step is you are going to generate text based on these reasons, and you are going to generate the text in order to make sure that this text is related to a next best action. Now let us see on how this agent would actually run. So here we are passing a text to this agent that use a data set related to telecommunication customers, use the model to make the prediction, and then also find out the reasons why this customer is going to leave. And then based on those reasons, try to generate a text in order to retain those customers. So this agent is then going to call these tools. So it is first of all going to make the predictions as well as find out the reasons for prediction. And then it is going to take those reasons and it is going to generate a text with an objective of retaining those customers. So let us see as an example a retention text which is generated. So for example, here we have a customer ID, and the probability of churning or probability of leaving is very high, 92%. So the next best action is first of all to appreciate the first month with the company, and then also indicate that you are paying $75, but we would like to help you and we would like to help you to optimize your plan. So you can see that these agents are very powerful. They are not just making predictions, but they are also taking next best action and operationalizing those prediction in order to make the enterprise more profitable.